We have been in the zipper industry for 21 years. People use zipper nearly every day. The value of zipper is not high, but it is really very important. Sometimes, just because the zipper can't run smoothly, people have to discard the expensive shoes, bags, clothes. QLQ can help bag factories, garment factories, bedding factories, tent factories and other factories solve the zipper problems. We ensure every zipper made by QLQ is smooth and durable with strict quality inspection from raw materials to every production step. QLQ uses 21 years experience to make zipper smooth. Let us be your strong partner and grow up your business together.